Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Today we are going to discuss about quality of water. Quality of water refers to the physical chemical characteristics of water as well as biological characteristics of water. Actually, when the water taken from source like rivers or ponds, that water we call it as raw water. That raw water is before sending to the water treatment plant. Just we have to check whether whether how much impurities are present in water and how the treatment is given. Based on this impurities, the treatment is given. The quality of water, the quality of water there are the impurities are classified as follows. In that, the impurities in water based on size of the impurities. That means size means how it will be. They are from macro size or micro size. From that based, the sizes of the impurities are also we have to check what is the size of the impurities, as well as based on the nature, whether they are organic impurities or inorganic impurities. And the final one based on the state of matter means itself we can understand the state. It may be physical state or chemical state or the biological state of impurities. Now we will discuss one by one. Now the size of impurities. Size of impurities are three types. They are suspended impurities, colloidal impurities, dissolved impurities. Suspended impurities are 10 power minus 1 mm to 10 power minus 3 mm. That means this is macro. This size, suspended size, is macro size, and these two are micro size particles. These two are micro size. That means macro means visible to naked eye, and micro means not visible to our naked eye. And more, the other one is based on organic, based on nature. There are two types: organic, inorganic impurities. What are organic impurities and what are inorganic impurities? The organic impurities are like bacteria, fungus, which were harmful to humans. The organic impurities are bacteria, fungus, and which are harmful to humans. What are the inorganic impurities? Inorganic impurities are iron, calcium, magnesium. Which were useful to the humans. Calcium and magnesium, manganese, which were useful to the humans in drinking water. Now another one, the last type, based on the state of matter. The state itself, that means physical state, physical impurities, chemical impurities, as well as biological impurities. Now we will discuss what is physical impurity. That is physical itself we can understand. We can check by our naked eye. We can check whether this water is fit for drinking or not. That means we can check by our naked eye, and we can taste it, whether it is taste like salty, or we can say whether this water is fit for drinking. Like example, if we drink ocean water, we cannot drink because it's more salty. So by drinking itself, we can under physical nature we can say that this water is unfit for drinking. In the same manner, the physical impurities are tested, chemical impurities and biological impurities. One by one we can discuss. First one, physical impurities. The temperature of water should be 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the water should be 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. Here the temperature is indirectly proportional to viscosity. That means these 10 degrees to 20 degrees centigrade is nothing but the standard water, drinking water standards with respect to temperature. Now next one, color is water thought to be colorless. There are two types of colors: apparent color means suspended particles, true color means dissolved substances. Color in water is measured by a device known as tintometer and measured on Burger scale or platinum scale and expressed in terms of TCU, that means true color unit. It is 5 to 20 color units. Now another one in physical impurities are turbidity. Turbidity means it's drinking water standards as per in turbidity is 5 to 10 turbidity. Actually in olden days the turbidity is measured by a device works on a light absorption. It's very outdated, and present we are using light scattering device. Light scattering device is nothing but is measured by nephelometer. And the final one is order and taste. Order and taste is water thought to be odorless as well as the tasteless. Order in water measured by a device known as osmoscope. That means osmoscope and expressed in terms of TON, threshold order number, that should be equal to 3 or less than or equal to 3. TON equal to A plus B by A. It's a formula. A plus B on the numerator is nothing but the capacity of osmosis, that is 200 ml. The drinking water standards is less than 3. Here is measured by osmoscope. Next one, acidity. Acidity is a measure of ability of water. Sorry, it is to measure of ability of water to neutralize bases. Measure of ability of water to neutralize bases. There are two types of acidities. One is mineral acidities, one is carbonic acidity. Mineral acidity as well as a carbonic acidity. Now the next one, alkalinity. Alkalinity is nothing the measure of ability of water to neutralize acids. That's very the important one. That means we have to neutralize the acids, then it calls alkalinity. Alkalinity is nothing but a parameter. Alkalinity in water caused by hydroxyl ions, carbonates, bicarbonates. Its estimation of total alkalinity is hydroxyl ions, carbonates and bicarbonates. Now hardness of water. Hardness is the resistance offered by the water to the formation of lather with soap. That means if the hardness is increased, then the increase in the soap consumption. That means hardness increases, soap consumption increases. It is very bad one. So hardness in water is caused by divalent cationic substances such as calcium, magnesium, strontium and iron and magnesium. In this we will consider only magnesium, that means calcium and magnesium. Other three like strontium, iron, magnesium are less, so we are neglecting. There are two types of hardness. One is carbonaceous hardness, another one non-carbonaceous hardness. Now next one is chlorides in drinking water. Chlorides along with sodium, if present in high concentration, causes to cardio and kidney diseases. Chlorides interfere with the chemical reaction in chemical water treatment. Seawater intrusion into groundwater is verified with chloride estimation, and the chloride is measured by Mohr's method, and its titrate is silver nitrate. It's one of the important bit. Its titrate is silver nitrate. Another one, next one is sulfates in water is measured by turbidity meter using barium, and the drinking water standards for chloride is less than 250 as well as the sulfates is less than 250. Dissolved oxygen. If the dissolved oxygen keeps water fresh for very long periods. Absence of the dissolved oxygen in water leads to the septicity, so it's not fit for drinking water if the absence is there. Fluorides, if fluorides is less than 1 milligrams per liter, then it causes a dental problem. As well as if nitrates are greater than 45 milligrams per liter, then it causes a disease known as methemoglobinemia, that means blue baby disease. Is measured by calorimetry using zirconium spades. Now the next one, it is biological water treatment is the last one in impurities, is based in state of matter. The qualitative test as well as the quantitative test we can do. And other which way some of the waterborne diseases are cholera, typhoid, paratyphoid, dysentery, amoebiasis, giardiasis, polio, as well as jaundice. These were the diseases caused due to the only water diseases are cholera, typhoid, paratyphoid, polio, jaundice. These were the water diseases. And some of the important drinking water standards are temperature between 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade, color 5 to 20 degrees, turbidity 5 to 10. Drinking water standard which I am saying, order and taste less than 3, alkalinity less than 200 milligrams per liter, hardness less than 300 milligrams per liter, chlorides less than 250 milligrams per liter, sulfates less than 250 milligrams per liter, as well as DO, it should be 3 to 4 milligrams per liter. Fluorides, it should be 1 to 1.5. Nitrites 0, nitrates less than 45 milligrams per liter. Ammonium nitrogen less than 0.15 milligrams per liter. Thank you for watching.